Weibo sign up. How to open or create Weibo account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. In order to do so, you can tap open a preferred browser or open up Weibo app if you have one. In the search bar, search for Weibo. Select the first option, that is weibo.com registration. Select on to translate from Chinese to English. If it is a personal account that you want to sign up as Weibo, you will have to enter your email address or use your mobile number. Enter a password, birthday, then verify yourself. If it's for business or official use, click on official registration, then enter email address, mobile number, password, organization or company name, and location, then tap on sign up now. Once you are signed up and verified, you can easily log in into your Weibo. For that, you can just tap on the Login Now button given to you. Once you are verified and registered, all you have to do is either enter your username or your phone number, then enter the verification code to log in into your Weibo account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.